Salves, Glam, Beauty. I went for a big chop, you guys. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna zoom in on there, but I went ahead, cut off all of my hair. It was so damaged, I couldn't take it any longer. Like, it needed to go, okay? And I wanna bring you along on this journey, on my hair journey, so you guys can see the progress and my growth, because I'm always making hair product, conditioner, shampoo, scalp balm, like different things for hair. So I thought about doing it, like ever since I started making like hair product, natural hair product basically, I just got angry with myself, and then I always wanted my hair to be natural again. It was pranked all along. I didn't want to cut it, but I thought about it. I'm like, if I'm doing a video for my viewers, telling them that they can use these products and their hair gonna grow, like I should be leading by example by using it on my hair so you guys can see the progress. Okay, so basically I'm gonna be the test dummy or the mannequin or whatever. I'm gonna use myself as a tester for my product. Basically, that's what I do. But anyway, without further ado, let's just jump into the video, okay? I've been rumbling so much. Let's take this up. Ta-da! But anyways, you guys, I enjoyed talking to you guys, and let's just get started, okay? By the way, I didn't mention what hair product I'm making today. I am making some African black soap shampoo today. It is super healthy. Your hair gonna love this, okay? For a start, I do have in here my African black soap liquid base, okay? This is the African black soap. Like, I did all the necessary things. I screened it 2-3 times because I didn't want any particles to be in it. So I did that. And yeah, basically I did it. I melted down and I did all the necessary things because I didn't want this video extra long. You guys already know. Now, I have my spatula here that I'm gonna be using like so. My daughter and I use this shampoo. That's why I made it a lot, because we go through it quick. And because I now have a short hair, I'm gonna be washing my hair like every other day basically. So I'm gonna run through this in no time. Anyways, enough of my rambling, okay? Now, the first thing that I want to add here is some Moringa powder. You guys know how Moringa get down. Like, it is so healthy for your hair. Like, it does wonders. So the next thing I'm going to be adding in here is some avocado oil, okay? I also have some aloe vera juice. I'm gonna be putting it in here. And up next, I do have some sweet almond oil. And last but not least, I'm gonna be adding some castor oil. This is how a mixture looking. But we are not done yet. Like most people that I see on YouTube, they'll just do this and they'll stop right here, which is fine. Like, it's optional. You can do whatever you want to do with your product. It's your product, but For me, I am not stopping right here. I'm taking it further, okay? Now, the next thing I'm gonna be putting in here is some peppermint oil. I'm gonna be adding some tea tree oil. I'm sorry it is the label erased, but yeah, that's the only tea tree oil I have. So I'm gonna be adding a few drops. Now, I'm gonna be using some natural preservative for this project, and I'm going to measure it in here like so. This is a measuring cup as well. Okay, preserve this baby. For thickener, because I do not like this consistency. I want to slip to it as well. And I'm taking some guar gum to thicken this bad boy up, okay? That's what we're gonna be doing. Now I'm gonna be using this beautiful rainbow berry, which I love, stick mixer. I'm gonna be using this plastic to cover it up, and I'm gonna wait for 20 to 30 minutes for it to thicken up, okay? I'm gonna leave it right here and wait for it to thicken up, and I will be right back. So this is the consistency. I just wanted you to see the thickness. It's pretty thick, and it's a beautiful consistency that we can use for shampoo. So it's time to batter this bad boy up, okay? I'm gonna be spraying these with rubbing alcohol just to wipe it down properly. I am done with my beautiful shampoo, you guys. It smells so good and lovely. Like, I'm just ready to hop in the shower to wash my hair with this and just enjoy the mint in it and all of that. It is so soothing. I love it. I really cannot get enough of this shampoo. Like, every time I use it, I just want to keep using it. But when you have a relaxed hair, you really can't play around with the shampoo like that. Another thing, I am going to be coloring my hair, so that's one of the reasons why I think this shampoo gonna be good, because after coloring your hair, color is very damaging to your hair, but you know how we are, we like the color, but at the same time you can treat your hair and all of that. So I do have my shampoo here, I have my conditioner, I have my scalp balm, I have different oils on my hair. So definitely my hair will definitely grow, and I know my hair grows pretty long, so we shall see the process and all of that. But that's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Bye bye.